Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Blue Hole towards Zion Hill. Entering Zion Hill. The road on the right will take you to Polish Princess Guest House. On the left is Dragon Bay Road. Turning towards Nonsuch, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Fairy Hill, Boston, Long Bay, and to St. Thomas Parish.
And that wire cut off.
We are now driving on the Fairy Hill to Nonsuch Road. On the right is Zion Hill Seventh-day Adventist Church. A few meters to the right, you can find Slave Cave. We are now en route to Sherwood Forest. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.